Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to connect Runner app to Garmin Watch. So let's dive into it. Connecting your Garmin Watch to the Runner app is quick and simple. First, make sure you have both the Garmin Connect app and the Runner app installed on your device or your phone. So open the Garmin Connect app, sign in and ensure your watch is paired with Bluetooth. Then next, open the Runner app. Go to the go to the settings or connection section and select connect to Garmin. You will be redirected to a Garmin sign in page. Then log in and grant runners permission to access your activities data. Then once linked, your workouts from runner will automatically sync with your Garmin watch, and your Garmin activities data will flow into the runner app for better training insights. So this connection ensures your runs, split, and performance metric are always up to date without manual uploading. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.